It's a certified 2016 FIAT 500L. Generous seating for 5 with plenty of room to get comfy. This Italian hatchback is the perfect good time car. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and driver point out the high roof and the huge front quarter windows lend the interior a capacious feeling, and the cabin's fun squircle-shaped design theme and its quality materials make it feel Euro stylish. FIAT, an Italian feast for the eyes. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
It's a family approach to business that has helped Schmelz Countryside stand the test of time. Conveniently located at highways 36 and 61. Click or visit Schmelz Countryside today.